Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this kind of sunset beachy look. The eyes, I'm just focusing on the eyes for this video. I didn't go into depth on how I achieved my base or anything, but it's pretty much the same thing that I do in all of my videos. So if you want to see how I do my foundation and concealer and all of that, you can definitely go check that out in any one of my makeup videos. But yeah, so I would just want to show you guys how I got this eye makeup look. It just reminds me of the beach sunset, so that's what I named this video. It's a beachy sunset eye look. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching. Before we get this video started, please make sure if you are not subscribed to my channel that you hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would truly appreciate it. It would truly seriously help me out. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this beachy sunset eye look, then keep on watching and let's get started. So we're going to get started with the eyes. I've already primed my eyes with concealer, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is from my LASHYBOX that I just received this month. If you've not seen that video, I will leave it in the cards or down in the description for you to access and go check that out. But this is the Naked Cosmetics Trio palette. Just 3 simple colors, and I'm also going to be dipping into this Space Cast Cosmetics eyeshadow. No Reputation is the name of this shade. There are no shade names for this, so purple, orange, and green. And then I will be using just any type of black to kind of help darken this. So again, I want this to be kind of like a beach sunset kind of eye makeup look. And I know that sounds like weird, like what's the difference between a beach sunset and a regular sunset? To me, it seems different. To me, I feel like a beach sunset does look a little bit different than a regular sunset, if that makes sense. Like if you see a sunset on the beach, it just seems darker and more sensual in a way to me than a regular sunset. Seems more bright and peachy, so more alive, and that's like sunset sunrise type, like in like anywhere else. But I just feel like on the beach, I don't know, this eye look just reminds me of a beach sunset type thing. Like if you see any kind of like graphic tees with a beach theme on it, I feel like these colors pop up. So that's where I got that from. And so yeah, we're just gonna dip right into this. So to start this look, I'm gonna be using a small kind of detailed blending brush. It's a crease brush, but it's kind of small and it looks a little bit like a blending brush because this is my blending brush, so it just looks like a smaller version of it. I'm gonna go into #AD. I'm gonna put that over, like kind of right under my brow area, and this is just going to allow everything to kind of transition and not leave a harsh line. And if you can see my little hairs in my brow, please just ignore them. I am letting my brows grow out right now so that I can shape them better, and I'm bringing that kind of out. Next, I'm going to go in with that blending brush, and I'm going to go now into #OffCamera. And I'm using this big fluffy brush because I want to make sure that this covers the area without me having to use too much product. If that makes sense, you'll see what I'm doing. But I'm leaving this in the outer corner, so I'm tapping it on because I don't want it to be too dark. And then we're blending it into that brownish color and across the lid, like midway. But we just want a light layer of this color. Going back in with that other brush, I'm just going to make sure that this is not a harsh dark line here. So we're blending this. That is the key to every eyeshadow look. Just blend it out. So there we have that. Next, I'm going to take this angled brush. I don't even know where this is from. It has no name on it, nothing on it. And I'm going to dip into the Naked Cosmetics, the star of this eye look. And we're going to be using all three of these colors. I lied. I need this blue first. We're going to be taking the Space Cast Cosmetics in the shade No Reputation. We're going to use this color first. And we're going to blend this into that black. So really you're just really going into it. Not all the way out to the outer corner, but you're like right in there. So it's really going to blend. And I'm going to take the fluffy brush and just really blend that. I'm not dipping back into the black. I'm just blending it with what's left on the brush. And we're going to do that blend with all the colors. So we're going to make sure that they kind of set in the middle of where the last color started and blend it all together. So now we're going into the Naked Cosmetics. And we're going to start with the purple shade, moving to the orange, orange shade, and then the green shade. I'm going backwards. Green, purple, orange, green. So I'm going to use that same brush that I used for the blue and dip into this purple. I'm just going to start right in the middle of where that blue is. Patting it on and bringing it out towards the middle of the eye and blending it. Going back with that fluffy brush. Just going to give this a nice blend. Going in with a new brush. This is a blending brush from e.l.f. And we're going to go into that orange. And we're just going to set that and blend it. And I'm just patting most of this. Not really blending it because I don't, or like swiping it. And I'm going to use that same brush and go into the green. I'm just going to flip it. So because my base is done, we can go right into the lower eyelash part of this look. So I'm going to take that small, nope, just kidding. I'm going to take this brush from Luxie 121 Mini Tapered Brush. And I'm going to dip into the green and take that right in the inner corner area here. Using that same brush, I'm going to go into the orange and then the purple. Next, I'm going to take that small crease brush and I'm going to go back into #AD and go under all of that. Taking that blending brush from e.l.f., that fluffy blending brush, and really taking a really little bit and just going to blend out and down. So really you're just using most of the excess. I'm using that other brush to really make sure it doesn't look like I have a black eye. So I was thinking I wanted to do a purple eyeliner, but I don't know. I really don't want to ruin this look because I'm loving what it looks like right now. And I love that it's not so dramatic, but it's like in your face. I'm going to do black eyeliner and then I'll put just a line of purple over it or under my lower lash. We'll do the black eyeliner and then I'll let you know what I'm thinking here. I'm using the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner pen. Okay, for now I'm going to put the liner under the purple eyeliner under my lower lash just to kind of give that some color and a pop of color. So we'll do that. And this is from e.l.f. So I'm going to do that. put on my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, this is what our final eye makeup is looking like. I'm absolutely in love with it. These lashes match perfectly. They're not too lavish that they're covering up the eye look. They're doing just enough to show you what it looks like. So now we're gonna finish this base and clean it up because I'm looking real ridiculous. I'm gonna set my face. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using both of these Kaya Matcha Glows. I have one in Luna and Stardust. I'm going to be using Luna first, and we're going to go over with Stardust. These are really nice highlighters, and they're not that expensive. They're about $20, which is not that bad. This one gives like a really nice glow, but then I just want to go over it with the Stardust to give it kind of a golden color, because that's what this one looks like. I'm going to use the Moda brush for this one. And just give it a golden feel to it. See how it changed it just a little bit, give it a little glow. It gives it more of a natural glow with this color. So it's not like extremely blinding, like, ooh, girl, that's not natural. You know what I mean? Go back in with this brush. So for my cheeks, for my cheekbones, I really want the glow, but then for the rest of the face, I just want like a natural highlight glow. It is really windy outside today. Gives it a nice look. Okay. Phone call. Well, hello there.
Well, hello there. What are you doing?
Recording.
Oh, cute.
Thanks.
You look so cute.
Dorothy?
Bye.
Okay, I love you. Bye-bye. Okay. So the phone just rang. I don't know what I was doing. I know I finished my highlighter. So I'm not gonna blush. I'm not really feeling blush for this look. I'm not really feeling blush for this look, but yeah, we're not gonna blush. We're not gonna blush this look. So we're gonna move on to lips, and then we will be done. So for my lips, I'm going to be doing something that I normally always do. I feel like because my eyes are not so bold, I could go with a bold lip, but we're not. We're going to leave it. We're going to do a simple lip. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel lip liner in the shade Chocolate. Something that I always do. I know. I'm going to be going in with a nude lip from the Zola X X Color Pop. And this is the shade Little One. So if you wanted, you could leave it a matte nude lip like this, but I want to give it a little gloss just because I don't like how dry my lips appear with such a glow to my face. So we're going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Mermaid Thighs. That name, dude. And I'm going to be using a really little bit because this has such a purple tint to it, and I don't want to make this a bold lip, but and it's got that blue to it. Lip gloss smells so good. So that just gives it a little bit of shine, but not too much. So this is our finished look. I absolutely love it. I don't know why the eyes remind me of the beach. It reminds me of a beach sunset, not just a regular sunset, but something that you would see on the beach. I don't know why, but it just really reminds me of that. So that is where I came up with the beach sunset eye look with this. And yeah, It's really simple, really easy. I hope you guys like it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that button and join the family. I would truly appreciate it. It would really help me out. And yeah, I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.